Hey folks, welcome back to another video. We were doing Leetcode top interview 150 questions. We were doing this exercise so that we get prepared for the interviews. I will try to explain the solution as a code, but mind that this may not be the best explanation available on YouTube. So please bear with that. So let's start with array. So before this we were doing graph problems. If you haven't watched the videos, please check those out. Now we will start with array. Let's do this question. It's an easy question. Let's see. Remove element. Leetcode 27. Given an integer array nums and an integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. Okay, the order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val big K to get accepted. You need to do the following things. Change the array nums such as the first K element of nums contain the element which are not equal to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums. Return K. Okay, so let's just understand. So let's take an example. Which one? Let's take this one. 0 1 2 2 3 0 4 2. So from here we have to remove the element 2. We don't have to remove actually, but we just have to rearrange this such that all the 2 goes to the back and only the front ones remains, because it says that we have to do it in place, so we cannot use any extra space or something. We just have to reorder in the nums K, and after that we just have to return the K elements which are not equal to 2. So therefore here the final answer will be 1 0 1 3 0 4, then 2 2 2. So this will be the final order of the nums array, and we just have to return how many elements, what will be the value of K. 1 2 3 4 5. We have to return 5. Is that it? Yes. So that means we have to return the index of this element, index plus 1. Yeah, so I can think of like only the 2 pointers method. So therefore we will maintain 2 pointers, one at the start, one at the end, and we will check that okay, this is not equal to 2, so we will skip. This is not equal to 2, we will skip. This is equal to 2, and this is also equal to 2. Alright, so therefore we will move this to 4. Okay, then okay, let's just use Excalibur. Okay. So I had done some problems before. Okay, no problem issue. So let's start with this 0 1. What were the elements? 0 1 2 2 3 0 4 2. 0 1 2 2 4 0 3 2. Okay, no issue. So let's just make it bigger. Okay, so let's say we have this m 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, okay, so we have two pointers I and J. Okay, we check that I, and we have to remove the element 2. Okay, we check that I is not equal to 2, so we just move it I. This is not equal to 2, we just move it I. This is equal to 2, so therefore we will check, we compare it with j. J is also equal to 2, so we will just move j. Now we compare I and j, 2 and 3. This is equal to 2, but this is not equal to 2, so therefore we will just replace the two indexes. Then we did I and j. This is equal to 2, this is not equal to 2, so therefore we will replace it. It will be 0, it will be 2. So there, and we again do I, and j will also become to j. Whenever I and j equals to the same index, we will just return the index of the I plus 1. So therefore the index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So that means all the non-value elements will be arranged here, and all the elements which have to be removed goes to the end. So this is the strategy. So let's just implement it. We have to maintain two pointers. So j equals to nums dot length minus 1, okay, while I I less than j. Okay, we'll fetch two numbers, nums I int b equals to nums j. We checked if a equals to val. If a is equals to val, okay, let's see. Yeah, if a is equals to val, then what we have to do, we'll check if the last element is equals to val as well. Okay, let's do one thing. We just start with, if the last element is equals to val, then just do j minus minus. Okay, else if a equals to val and b not, okay, it will be not equal, because since we have also already checked, then just replace it. So I will just take temp equals to a nums I equals to nums j, and nums j will be val. Whether it will be val because we have already checked, or let's, for the simplicity, let's take it a. Then after this we have replaced that. So after replacing I with j, we just have to do I plus plus and j minus minus. Okay, what are the conditions remain? If b is not equals to val, then we just j minus minus. If we replaced it, then I minus minus j, I plus plus, j minus minus. And what remains, if a not equals to, else only remains that if a not equals to val, then just I plus plus. Okay, we just have to return I plus 1. Let's check whether this is correct or not. It's accepted. Let's just try to submit it. Okay, so wrong answer. Okay, if nums is 1 and we have to remove 1, then expected is 0, but do we have to return because in this case I plus plus j minus minus, if okay it's less than equals to, then b equals to 12, no, a equals to 12, no, else I plus plus. I think we have to return I. Let's check. Yep, I think that will do the trick. Yep, it got accepted. So actually what we did is we stopped when I we only check when I was less than j, and when it becomes equal we just removed it, we just returned it. But when I becomes I equals to j, we also check that element, we just moved I, and that means we don't have to do the plus one thing, we just have to return I. Hope this was helpful. I am just practicing the questions. I will be explaining in very simple terms. I am also working on my communication skills, so please bear with me. Keep practicing. If you have to do questions on Leetcode, I suggest that you do in a similar way. And if you find it valuable, please like and also subscribe. Thank you.